In this video, I'll show you how to post a project on the platform. From the landing page, go to your profile icon and select the Post Project option. You'll land on the project creation plans. Pick the free option if you just want to publish a single project, or choose a paid package if you want broader reach, priority placement, and additional features. Once you're inside the project posting form, start populating the fields exactly as laid out on the screen. Add your project title, select the category, choose the project type, define the project location type, and set the duration. Specify the freelancer type you're looking for, the required experience level, and your preferred location if needed. Add the friendly address, choose the language, and select the language proficiency level. Next, move to the description box and write a clear breakdown of your project requirements, scope, and expectations. After that, scroll down to the pricing section and enter your minimum and maximum budget range. If your project includes visual references, upload your images. Then choose the relevant skills by simply checking the boxes next to each skill that fits your project. Finally, select your estimated hours, add your FAQs if you have any, and then click Save. Once saved, your project goes live and freelancers can immediately start engaging with it. This ensures clean visibility and a streamlined workflow from start to publish.